take a picture of me with the kitty. Me. Here's the bunny house to remember too. Oh, we can sit on the bench. Cool. There are a lot of people apparently here. There was one person that looked like Luffy as well. Okay, who wants to join me? I don't think anyone want to join me. If I just stand, I'm curious now. This is my first time playing this game. I can stand on the hospital. I'm gonna go down now. Oh, I guess it's me and people. Hello. Someone else joined. Oh, she left. Oh, wait, she's right there. Oh my god, she's skinny. Working at the hospital until you find out what. Okay. It's just me with a bunch of people I don't know. Oh boy. This should be fun. What? Am I an animal too? Okay. Hi. Okay, I can't make myself bigger. Hey. Oh. Why are they freaking cute? Did you pick up coffee?
Aha!
What?
Okay, this morning,
Yeah?
I have to go pay the rent, okay? Hello?
Okay.
I need you to sit with Keegan, okay?
Okay.
And watch Momo.
Okay.
Hiya, Genevieve.
Does anyone want coffee?
Hiya, everybody.
Does anyone want coffee? I'm not taking a risk. Oh, you're better. I didn't do anything, but he's better. But to think. I did. Room 2, okay. What is happening? No, I'm just gonna do this. I don't even know what to do. Can you drink this? Oh, I can drink this. Let's save that for the next patient that wants coffee. If I heard something. I'm literally just gonna be here. Oh. I didn't do anything. What is happening? Hello, doctor, sir. I guess I'm gonna greet you because everyone else is busy. You must be with me. Hi. I feel like I'm just a bad professional. Sir, would you like coffee? Why did I deserve this? Oh, I can jump. Okay. Hi. If I'm just a dog, I'm gonna lose it. Huh? Oh, I have this. Okay. We got this much money from this. Oh, okay. Best. Okay. Oh, hello. I can't do anything. I'm not a patient, okay. What are they doing? I'm not a patient. Hello. Why are you cute? What is going on? I don't even know what's going on. Is everyone just doing some random stuff? I'm gonna help this time. I wanna help. I wanna help the cute little patient. I have weapons. It's a weapon. I don't even know what that is. It just killed me. Help! Help me! I'm dying. I'm dying slowly. I think it killed me. I am dead. It killed me. Oh, thank you. I hate this. I think I'm scared now. Oh, the windows are... Okay, that's cute. That thing almost killed me. Do I dare drink my coffee and this? Oh, dang, we killed it. Okay. First patient dead. I don't know anymore. I'm gonna go now. So, finally, I'm actually doing the thing. Oh, it's a regular patient. Welcome to the madness, sir. Take your tag. I don't even know. I got killed by a creature. My sanity's down. I need to drink coffee or something. I feel like I shouldn't drink this. What? Why did you... Wait, what? No, sir, best. What is happening? Can I even see you out there? Oh, there's security cameras. Okay. Okay, I hit the exit button. I finally got one of you in your rooms. Finally. You know what? I know I'm supposed to do something when it comes to this, but I don't even care. I'm drinking this coffee. Now I have some in my inventory finally. I don't want to be alone. I really don't want to be alone. What? I don't see anyone. Oh, are they in the room with me? They are not in the room with me, okay? Oh, hello, sir. Oh, there's teleport. Oh, I can't buy that. I don't have Robux. Dang it! I don't have any Robux. I'm so confused. What's happening? I don't want to get tagged. Again, oh, hi, patient. Hello. What if somebody uses on myself? I don't even know what'll happen. We get $63 so far. Oh, I think someone's transferring. Nope, I'm just hearing things apparently. Doctor's arriving? What? I can't move my little girl legs. Oh, hi, doctor. I'm gonna jump. I'm just saying. Sir, would you like this? Oh, dang. You opened the supply shop finally. Nice. Can't move. I don't even know anymore. I can't even get coffee or the gun, apparently. I do not have Robux. I want Billy. Can do this. Oh, no, I'm patient. Okay. It'll be fine. Would you like this, sir? Here's your coin. Oh, wait, that's not what he needs. I don't even know anymore. I'm gonna I'm gonna follow this patient. Hello, other patient that is currently over there. Oh, room 7's over here. Okay. I'm taking sacrifices. Oh, thank God, there's no creatures here. Oh man, I also have the same. Yeah, win! Finally! I'm looking up now. I don't like this. Game of Madness. Stay in the corner. What the flipping crumb of this is wrong with this hospital? I gave him the eye drops. I'm finally helpful. Even though I wasn't helpful before. Oh. Can't give him coffee. Neither can I. Good job for both of you. Drink your coffee, sir. You need coffee in order to not hit your head. Take your stuff, dude. I thought there was something on the ceiling for a second. Okay. What is happening? What is going on? That creature tried to attack me. I don't know what to do.